Hello dear members, welcome again to the Horex Vine Corporation. Today I have an important update about the Horex Coin. Dear member, our Horex Coin website is almost ready now. You can register and create your coin wallet to store your decentralized coins. We distribute some reward coins on refer and sign up wallet bonus. If any member creates a coin wallet, then they'll receive one Horex coin free as a sign-up reward. Referral reward is here. If you referral any coin wallet, then you will receive one coin free referral reward. Here you will receive a team referral benefit. You will receive 0.1 coin per member wallet level 1 to level 10. You can refer more to open a wallet and you will receive more coin rewards here. If your direct referral member purchases coins, then you will receive 10% coin as a reward. So here the company distributes more reward coins for referrals and wallet sign-ups. Dear member, our coin is a very big project. You know Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most powerful crypto projects. Like that, our project is a big crypto project. Our management team will continue working to list our coin on international exchanges. Soon our project will be ready for crypto exchanges. So hold your coins for a bright future. Dear member, another important update. Soon all your Horex coins will be transferred into your coin wallet. You have an option to transfer all your old coins to the coin wallet. This is a very easy process. When we start coin transfer, then again we will give you complete and update information about this. Now refer more coin wallets and earn more rewards. Now I kindly request all my Horex Vine members to work with our $30 basic package. The Horex Vine company and management are always with you. Thank you.